Cosmotech have upgraded with Cosmo Max Smart with CCT changing with remote and app. Okay, this is the remote wherein you can change the color, temperature, the brightness also. You can dim the light, you can brighten, change color. This is the night light. There are two remotes, any one you can use it. Okay, so now going through the next part, we have app. Okay, so in app you can change color, so you can see the changes. We can change the color, we can reduce the brightness how we want. Okay, and we have scene also. In scene there are options, there are modes: good night, reading, working, leisure, and many more. You can just add a new scene however we want. If you go inside of it, there is actions wherein static or flash or breathe. Breathe means slow, flash will be fast, and static means it goes one by one. Okay, so you can change the color accordingly how we want. The brightness, since this is a night light, so people prefer brightness to be less. Okay, and save it. So the changes you will get automatically on the light. Same controls we can do with 4 sets of panels. In this, the brightness option is there. We can change the brightness, we can dim the light, or we can brighten the light. Here we have the color temperature. We can get it to neutral white, then warm white. Okay, and we have also have the scene. In that we can change the mode. Cosmotech has come with smart light with CCT and RGB, which can be controlled with the app and remote. Cosmotech also have smart LED strip light with the same control like COB. Okay, so that we can just change the colors through the app, and here we can control the color temperature. Then we have scene. In that, if anyone is interested in reading, so reading option is there. In this we can just change the color and then we can save it. Same we have good night, like night option, leisure, anything, or flash. In this the option are very fast. We can change the colors and then you can save it.